Hey everyone, it's your favorite Roddy here. Welcome back to my channel. Since we're all staying at home, I really hope you're staying at home. Welcome back. This video is basically about the Samsung Galaxy A51. This is my review video on the Samsung Galaxy A51. I don't like staying at home, but we have to do this. So let's start. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the body of this one, the design. Okay, um, the front is a Gorilla Glass 3. It's a glass front standard, unlike the plastic on the other phone. Yes, it has a plastic back and a plastic frame. The gloss on the back is a nice finish. It looks a bit glass, but when you touch it or when you hit it, you know it's plastic. Yeah, the colors, it comes in four different colors, same design on the back. Prism Crush. It comes in black, white, blue, and pink. Basically, yeah. The screen to body ratio is 87.4%. It is very nice for the phone. It has an in-dot camera. It's a dotted camera display. Means that it's just this tiny circle. That's the camera in the display. It's really small. You get used to it. You don't see it most of the time. The bezels are very, very small. Not very, very, but okay, the bezels are average. Let's just say bezels are average, and there are no accidental touches. Accidental touches are frustrating as heck. So thankfully, there are no accidental touches. It uses nano SIM. On the bottom of the phone, at the bottom of the phone, you have your headphone jack, your USB Type C port which supports 15 watts charging, a microphone, and a speaker. Normal standard stuff. On the left side, you have your SIM tray, and then at the top, you have a dedicated noise cancelling microphone. On the right side, you have a volume slider and then your power button. That's basically it. The, it weighs 171 grams, 171 grams, and which is pretty average for a phone like that. Okay, okay. And then yeah, basically that's it. The phone, to me, the design is nice. It's actually good. The Prism Crush, it's a bit limited, but anyhow, it has different colors. So I prefer black. I actually prefer black, not black or white. Blue is a bit manageable, but then pink, I don't know. I actually don't know. Okay, the panel, the display panel. The display panel is a Super AMOLED display. Super AMOLED display, which means the blacks are blacker. Basically, that's what it means. The colors are much more vibrant, but then the blacks are blacker. Yeah, it comes with 16 million, yeah, 16 million colors. That's a general thing. Basically, the size of the phone is 6.5 inches, like the screen size 6.5 inches. The resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels, and then it has Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 for the screen. Yeah, the specifications. Okay, the specifications of the phone, the RAM, GPU, CPU, and the rest. The CPU is the chipset is the Exynos 9611, the Exynos 9611, 10 nanometers. It runs on Android 10 with the custom ROM of UI. No, I'm sorry, custom ROM user interface is the one UI 2, which is the new one. Yes. The CPU is an octa-core CPU with four 2.3 GHz Cortex A73 and then four 1.7 GHz Cortex A53. That's basically it for the CPU. And the GPU is the Mali G72 MP3. Yes, MP3. The storage and RAM of this device. The storage, it has, there are two sizes, 128 gigabytes and then 64 gigabytes. And then the RAM, there is a 4 gig version, there is a 6 gig RAM version, and then there's 8 gigabytes RAM version. They come in four combinations. There is a 64 gig and 4 gig RAM. There's 64 gig storage and then 4 gig RAM, and then 128 gig storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. 128 gig storage and 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and take 8 gigabytes of RAM, and then the storage uses the UFS 2.0 technology, which is almost up to date. The performance of this phone, the phone is smooth. I only saw it hanging like for twice. I only saw it hanging twice, like it was for a second, it was very brief. The display is still 60 hertz, not 90 hertz, so you're safe. The battery, the battery is a non-removable polymer 4000 milliampere battery. It's 4000 milliampere battery. It supports fast charging with 15 watts, which is good, is average for a user Type C phone. The phone is fast, the UI is nice. The gaming quality, I don't find playing games on it hard. It's actually very smooth. It's okay. Now to the main thing, what most people came here for, the camera quality. Well, okay, let's just talk about the cameras. The camera on the phone, the quad camera on the back, it has four cameras. The setup is similar to that on the Samsung Galaxy S20. Yes. Uh, okay. The camera quality is nice. Yeah. It has the main camera is a wide camera. It has a 48 megapixel wide camera as the main camera, 48 megapixels. The ultra wide camera is a 12 megapixel camera, and then the macro camera is 5 megapixels, and then a depth sensing camera which is 5 megapixels also. Yeah, the camera quality, the pictures on the A51, they are actually nice. The wide camera shots, the everything's nice basically. The following pictures are pictures taken by me on the camera. You have video recording up to 2K video recording, 30 FPS, standard 30 FPS, and then the phone camera is a 32 megapixel camera with 2.2 aperture, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, share, comment, and stay tuned for my next video. I hope everyone is staying at home. Uh, we should all stay at home. Yes. The coronavirus is not a thing you should want to get. Nobody wants to get sick. Just stay at home, safe, and God bless. Okay, and God bless. The next pictures. I will going to be the pictures I took on the Samsung Galaxy A51.